Hey buddy, this is the first video of the Ghost playlist. In this playlist, you will learn everything about Ghost. In this video, I will tell you what is Ghost, when was it made and who made it. We will also be talking about what kind of websites can be created using Ghost. Ghost is a Node.js module for creating blogs, somewhat like WordPress. Its initial release was on October 2013 and was by John O. Nolan. Ghost is built using Node.js, which means it is a lot faster than a typical PHP server or WordPress. It uses popular Express.js as its server, and for a database you can select between SQLite or MySQL. It also has a nice templating engine called Handlebars. Unlike WordPress, Ghost uses Markdown to format the posts you write. So in order to work with Ghost, you just need to know Markdown. That's it. Nothing else. And if you want to develop applications or plugins, then you need to know JavaScript. For making themes, typical HTML, CSS, and JavaScript is enough, along with a little bit knowledge of Handlebars. Here are some popular companies using Ghost for their blog. Almost everybody knows about Mozilla Firefox. The organization Mozilla uses Ghost for hosting their virtual reality blog. They have slightly modified the Casper theme that comes default with every Ghost installation. Another great example will be the Tinder dating company. They also use Ghost for their blog, but unlike Mozilla, they use a completely different theme. DuckDuckGo is a popular search engine known for its privacy. Here is their blog, which is also based on Ghost. They also modified the default Casper theme according to their needs. WordPress is used for creating many other types of websites other than blogs, but Ghost only targets blogs and publications. Here is the list of videos that are coming in the Ghost tutorials playlist. There might be small changes, but the main content is going to be the same. In the next video, we will compare Ghost with WordPress, so bookmark this playlist and subscribe to this channel.